Okay, so now I'm going to crank it a couple times. It almost started. Okay, now come around and I'll do the choke.
Oh, get it. I got it.